So, what is market sophistication? Now, this may sound like a high-level term that is quite complicated, complex, but really it's not. In its simplest form, the market sophistication is a term used to describe the level of awareness of your marketplace, and it's a term that was first coined by Eugene Schwartz in his groundbreaking book Breakthrough Advertising. Now, this book is typically not for sale. It's hard to find, but I'm sure you can find some sort of ebook version of it online. I highly recommend you pick this up if you want to become a better copywriter. You want to understand, human psychology, behavior psychology on a whole nother level. To want to sell more products and services. Highly recommend that. So this is really about how many similar products or services that your market has been told about before.